Alright, so I just turned on my computer and it doesn't display any sound. $50 and nothing. Phone's covering, okay. Yeah. So it should be producing sound. Don't know why. So what I do is, there's an old trick when it comes to Nintendo game cartridges. If it doesn't work, doesn't display audio or visual, you blow into it, and that somehow makes it work. Not only on the HDMI cord, but also into the TV, apparently. Otherwise, it won't work. Put down the phone. Alright, so it should work now.
As the Doomslayer is burning his way across Mars and subsequently, the demons caught in his path are usually just fighting for their very lives. Terrified and easily put down, the Doomslayer makes his way up the chain of command, ripping and tearing anything apart that gets too close. He encounters one particular demon.
I just think it's funny that this works that way.